Friends, welcome to Blossoms. My name is Eric. Today I am going to tell you how we are going to procure or how we are going to fetch the red wigglers, the worms for vermiculture or vermicompost. Red wigglers are there everywhere, and their actual technical name is Acina fetida. Acina fetidas are used for vermicompost. We have a backyard here in our society, in our compound. We'll be keeping the food ready for red wigglers, and they will come and eat the food, and then we are going to fetch them in another 3 to 4 days. So let's go to the site. Come on. Guys, this is the site. This is the moist place in our backyard. It's during monsoon there is water collecting here, and it is getting drained also. So wherever there is moisture, wherever there is water, there are red wigglers, and this is our site where we are going to, put the food for red wigglers. I have some banana peels and beetroot peels. Peels are a very favorite food for red wigglers. They feast on them, and we can catch them very easily. So I have got couple of days old banana peels. You can even put bananas, old bananas, rotten bananas, or over-ripened bananas. You can put mangoes, you can put tomatoes, over-ripened. Don't put anything that is raw, which will take a lot of time for breaking down. So it has to be easy for them to eat. So this is almost the easy food for them. So they will be coming in another, say, 3 to 4 days time. So I'm going to bury these here and invite them to have their food. So we will be continuing with this video in 4 days time. Now we will bury the food for red wigglers, the worms for vermicompost. Yes, this is the site. We have already used this site, and you can see there are red wigglers already here, but they are not in quantity. These are red wigglers. These are called red wigglers. They are not big earthworms. They are small, fine, just like worms. Yes, they are worms. So I have already fetched red wigglers through this. This is a mango, the rotten mango seed. I already got the red wigglers through this. Now I'm going to put more food for them. They are already eating the food. So they are not in quantity now. Yes, because the food is already decomposed and they have already eaten the maximum of it. So we'll bury this here. Mango peels and beetroot. So this will be buried here, and this is another mango. We'll close this because they will not come on the over the ground because they are photosensitive. They don't like light. We'll cover this with the soil, because even they eat these. You can see they are eating the rotten leaf. There are a couple of them here. They are eating the rotten leaf. So let them be here. Let them have their great food. So I am going to cover this with this one so that there is no direct light on this. So we'll be back in another 4 to 5 days time. We'll be continuing with the video. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Please subscribe, please like, please share our video. Please don't forget to click on the bell button. Thank you very much for watching our videos. You will get many more tips about gardening, and you will have lot of satisfaction through our videos. Thank you guys. Bye for now.